stay away there.
What happened?
You wouldn't understand me I go through right now.
Try me. Just take a minute and we talk about what
We can't talk about this. We cannot talk about this.
Look,
We cannot talk about this.
there's nothing can too bad we can't talk about. You know? We must can sit down and talk as a father and son. Let me understand. Talk to me. Just talk to me, let me understand.
Daddy, you wouldn't understand how me I feel right now.
Alright, you can try me. Try me. Please. Just calm down. What happened? Just calm down and talk. Calm down and talk.
So the old one never love. The old one never feel about this way.
Alright?
You wouldn't understand when me and I go through.
Understand. Me been down the road there already, so me understand so we can talk.
There's nothing to talk about.
Yes, remember, me did young like you too, and me got through breakup, me got through all of that, so me know what I feel like. So, nothing can't do bad we can't talk about. Understand? So, just calm down for a moment. Think about
You
it.
can't calm down.
Think about it.
Not what she do me. How she for betray me like this?
But look, I understand that human are human. People have a bit dishonest. People
No,
have
all of me do fear.
Yes, we understand all of that. Yes, we understand because we all go through that. Understand? We have to learn. We have to figure out.
Let's stay away then, please.
Alright. So, there's anything we can do?
You can't do nothing about this right now.
Then alright.
You
So
cannot do anything to solve this problem.
then let's talk about it. Then let's talk and tell me how you feel. Tell me how you feel. I will listen to you. We will stop for a moment. We will stop talk. We will listen to you.
We've been together for 4 years now. I really can't believe with all of my heart right now. She have a baby with my best friend.
Yeah, alright, you're doing good so far. I understand that, say, that must be hurtful.
Why she don't love me though?
Well, that means she never deserve you. Because you have a good heart. You have to make a change for yourself. That there's somebody out there to make you happy. Somebody will fulfill all of your dreams. Right? Give yourself a second chance. Just give that to me. Just give that to me.
I can't do that right now.
Yeah.
This is my only option.
No, sit down and think about it and don't do anything that you would regret.
Nobody loves me.
Yes.
Nobody cares.
Yes. We all love you. A lot of people love you. But sometimes we just end up in the wrong situation, the wrong lane, and you just give your heart at the wrong time. You always be a way out. Never give up. Never give up. Remember that. I promise you, things will get better. I promise. So just give that to me. Sit down and let me talk about it. Right? Just give that to me. Give this to me. Give it to me. Please. And let me work this out. Please. Look. I love you. I love you with all my heart, son. Just think how I would feel not having you around. Please, I love your son. I love you with all my heart. I love your son. Give it to me, son. Please, give it to me. Thank you. Give it to me. I love you.
Rush-Dem Vlogs. Thanks for watching. You can watch more videos down below on the left. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the right.